Kaya biging spiritu na, kaya kinagula, no?
Ay naman dahil mga pambakan to. Mga
I'll be the one who took you in at night.
walking around kasi hinahanap namin yung keycord. Nawala niya. Dito kami mag-dinner later. Guys,
Bigyan mo Facebook.
machismis, machismis.
Patandad mo nga itong bala. Yung huli live mo, kakagad mo. Nantay pagatik mo.
Gaming time! Thank you so much! For the wow! Sige, go! For the wow! Nice!
Seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light. Oh, so much fun and it's happy there. We don't talk about the best. Sunshine, never mind. Give me all of your praise.
Eh, bakit love? Competitive? Ay, sus. Di ba na? Hawak pa rin yung isa. Ay ko! Nasakit ka na dyan! Hong Kong. Okay. May responsibilidad na naman tayo ngayon sa flight.
May request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly.
Front row.
Storage bins above.
Now ready to depart for Hong Kong in command of the aircraft is Captain Martinez, VP assisted by First Officer Ray.
Touchdown Hong Kong, and now we are now off to Macau. For Macau. Sige. Oh, sige. 1 and 45 minutes in there. Wow. Sakya kami bus pa Macau. Sige ma. Okay, bye. Ay, what?
Alam ko yung phone.
Nakulo ka po. Yeah.
列車已到達終點站。
1, 2, 3, smile. Gusto Macau. Gagi. Ahora. Nice one. Okay. Nandito po ngayon tayo sa BGC.
Uy! Blue yun, di ba? Di green.
Intro ka na, Titin.
Hi guys.
Welcome to the vlog.
So we
bought these popcorns sa Senados. This is I bought this one. Ganun.
ASMR.
Okay.
Okay, open.
Wow!
Ay, nice! Ka-cute na! Nice. Nice. Ano ka, mom? Si Mickey Mouse. Nice. Oh my god. I cannot. Day 2 here in Macau. We are now having a breakfast. Hindi tayo makaka-copyright. Pak! Aura, tinin, Aura. Oh! Lost! We're about to check out. Pupunta na kami ng Hong Kong. Check it out. Yung service. Ay, yung phone service papunta ka rin. Ay, sweet. Sana all.
Malayalam na lang.
It's our second day today at naghanap na sila ng Jollibee. Behind the scene for Facebook story pala. Aliya for the gram. Dawin tayo. Benny nga capture na. Ay, wow! Sanding na! Good morning, Hong Kong. So, we are now having our breakfast with Apple and Ate Pingin. Let's go! Cheers! So, this is our day 2 here in Hong Kong. Kahapon, pumunta kami dito by a ferry. Sunscreen. 1, 2, 3, go, love. Saan ka? Nano po yan? How much? 280 ka dito. After breakfast, pupunta kami ng Disneyland. Ate Tin, paano niya? Nung uulan, hindi tayo makakapag-Disneyland. Sabi mo kasi uulan. Yan, umulan. Hindi kami makaalis kasi umuulan. Yahoo! Welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland! Gusto mo yan? Mickey Mouse? Wow! Pak!
Wait lang.
Cute! Sobrang init. Eto na talaga yun, guys. Mainit, guys. Mainit. Napaka-init. Picture mga parentals. Kinain. First must try here in Hong Kong Disneyland. Hi! Cute. For the price. $2.99. Sobrang init. I got shirt for Ryan. Sobrang pawis na likod niya. Done. Jungle Adventure Ride.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
The Small World. Roller coaster yun din. Bye. Nice one. Fourth ride, World of Frozen. Let's go. Nasasakyan mo ngayon?
Di ba?
Happy Snowman?
Exactly.
Louie. Oh, diba? Cleaning our free gifts. Okay, this is for Maxine. This is for you.
Don't stop now, don't try to hide it now. You wanna kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, float along and listen to the song. The song say kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, the music play. Do what the music say. You wanna kiss the girl.
And we're
Now going home with a happy heart. Thank you, Disneyland.
Xin bỏ nè. Nè.
My dream vlogging camera. Birthday came early. Iwan ka na lang dito.
Opa.
1, 2, 3. Nasaan niyo yung Frida?
Last year kayo mong ginawa na yung wala, mag-busy ko mo rin kung wala na ganito na rin kasi pwede yung pang
Kang may matutulog po sa garahe mamaya. Na love. Happy ka?
Ano naman, yung motor, happy.
Not just one, but two. Mapapakanta ka na lang ng gastador. Napaka-gastador. Nag-argue talaga kami sa motor na yan. Talaga, biro yung price niya. Wala naman tayong magagawa kundi maging supportive na lang. Tayo mga misis. Sa mundong ibabaw, yun lang yung role natin in life.
Good boy.
Ang suportahan, ang ating mga mister. Pero, may limitasyon. So, na-reach niya na yung kanyang limitation for this year and for the next following years.
Next year ba?
Ay, shut up. Okay? Okay.
Anywhere we